Hello everyone. Welcome to Quick English class. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Today we learn contractions in English. Let's get started. The contractions with to be. I am. I'm. You are. You're. He is. He's. She is. She's. We are. We're. They are. They're. Contractions with have. I have. I've. You have. You've. We have. We've. They have. They've. Contractions with has. She has. She's. She is. She's. He has. He's. He is. He's. Contractions with will. I will. I'll. You will. You'll. He will. He'll. She will. She'll. We will. We'll. They will. They'll. The contractions with had and would and had have the same short form. I would. I'd. I had. I'd. You would. You'd. You had. You'd. He would. He'd. He had. He'd. She would. She'd. She had. She'd. We would. We'd. We had. We'd. They would. They'd. They had. They'd. Negative contractions. Is not. Isn't. This answer isn't difficult to understand. Are not. Aren't. Aren't we going to the park today? Was not. Wasn't. She wasn't feeling well, so she stayed home. Were not. Weren't. They weren't happy with the results of the match. Do not. Don't. I don't like spicy food. Does not. Doesn't. He doesn't understand the question. Cannot. Can't. I can't find my keys anywhere. Could not. Couldn't. She couldn't finish her homework because she was too tired. Must not. Mustn't. You mustn't forget to lock the door before leaving. Should not. Shouldn't. We shouldn't be late for the meeting. Need not. Needn't. You needn't rush because the train will wait for a few more minutes. Did not. Didn't. He didn't call me yesterday as he promised. Will not. Won't. He won't be able to join us for dinner tonight. Would not. Wouldn't. She wouldn't go to the party without her best friend. Has not. Hasn't. He hasn't finished his homework yet. Have not. Haven't. I haven't seen that movie before. Had not. Hadn't. They hadn't planned for the rain, so they got wet. Other contractions. That is. That's. That's my favorite book on the shelf. There is. There's. There's a cat sleeping under the table. What is? What's? What's your plan for the weekend? Where is? Where's? Where's the nearest coffee shop? Who is? Who's? Who's coming to the meeting tomorrow?